Hey YouTube, it's Kyle, the 4on Modder, and we're doing something a little bit different today. We're still doing from the toolbox, but today I guess it's considered from the desktop. We're looking at a custom file here on the left of the screen in SolidWorks that I designed this morning just to help with CAN bus wires and whatnot. I want to show you something that can happen here. So I'm going to save this as a step file here. Or, step and STL. So there's the step, and now we're gonna do the STL. And I'm gonna check my options because I keep getting errors, and I'm not really sure why I keep getting errors. Interesting. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just save this to the desktop. Now, this is what happens when we drop this in here. Notice that we have errors. This is 178 edge error, auto repaired 178 error, 178 edges fixed. So right click button icon to fix STL through NetFab. So what is going on here? This is a solid part. It should have no issue. Rotating it has no bearing on the information that is here, that it's still having an issue. So I'm just going to go ahead and erase all objects and show you exactly what is happening here. We need to drag and drop this part in here to a different software, and gonna center all these things up with a quick keyboard command. We're gonna rotate the part and orient it correctly the way that it should be oriented, and look at the 3D. So if I explode the object, it says up here, exploded an instance into one object. If I do it again, surface has 232 surfaces, so we're gonna join it and then type in check, and the random poly surface object is valid. Okay, so we know this is good. So what it looks like the CAD software is doing is it is nesting the part as an object with the STL wrapped inside, and I do not know why it's doing that. I do know other slicer softwares have this issue as well as CAD software mainly. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say slicer. I'm trying to record and think, and sometimes with not enough coffee, the brain just doesn't work. Anyway, now that we exploded the object to its core surfaces and then rejoined it as a solid object, we can see that the Super Slicer is no longer reporting any errors at all, which is a good thing. That's exactly what you want. It's exactly what you need. Now, I do have this nifty little background here, the 4on Modder. I'm going to show you guys how to make your own. In fact, I think we're going to make a build plate for West 3D. So we'll get into that in the next video. Thank you for watching. We're going to continue on the series of the X gantry stuff on the 2.4 300 millimeter LDO build. However, I am waiting for parts to show up from West 3D. So very excited. Got a lot of cool things in store. We're going to print some more parts. I got to calibrate the machine in the current state it is with the resonance I can get. We'll talk about that definitely in the next video and get more content in there of what we're doing and why. So calibration, that would be the next step. So please like and subscribe if you like the content. If you want to get more in-depth content like this, I definitely don't mind making it. I think it's great to share some knowledge and, the troubles that I've gone through just to save some of you people, the headache. Learn from my experiences, right? I'm a little bit crazy. I'm willing to push the edges a little bit. If this part works, I will definitely make it available on printables. So I think the next video is going to be from the desktop. I'm going to do just kind of a break while we wait for parts, and I will definitely show you how to make your own build plate. And yeah, I'm excited for that. The build plates do work in Super Slicer and Prusa Slicer. So stay tuned for that.